get that freaking camera working. What the heck is wrong with you? Not wasting time here.
Hi, this is 283. Well, no. Well, I don't even know if you even remember me. Haven't been on for like years or something. But anyways, I'm back. Whoever's still out there and still remembers who I am, hey, what's up? I haven't talked to you in forever. Now, it hasn't been a few years, but it's been a few months. Ever since, like, probably since December. And it's a long story, a long stupid story about, anyway, I'm not even gonna say. But since I'm back, I'm gonna do a little video. And it's not what the song is either. I don't know what the video is actually gonna be about. I'm just making this, so just for fun, just to get the word out. Hey, I'm back. You can talk to me now. Sound like I'm not gonna reply. Oh, also, I'm 13. My birthday passed a few months ago. Apparently everyone forgot, but that's okay. At least some people remember on my Facebook. Well, anyway, enjoy this video. Our Productions proudly present. Wow, it had to be dramatic. It had to be dramatic. Our first video back, and it has to be dramatic. And Josh and Ryan, hey, you know what? You better shut up, okay? Because we're trying to make this production work, and you're the only one who